Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, so another pen haul. Yesterday, yet again, a very early start. A lot of driving, a long way away. We went to numerous locations. We spent some money and we found some pens. We found some good, some bad, and some ugly pens. So what we've got, this is my pen haul from yesterday. As always, a lot of these pens will be available for sale, so if there's anything of interest, get in touch with me. Some of them I will be using for parts, some of them I will just sell simply as is. For spares and repairs. Some of them, if I've not already done a review, I will review them. But yeah, you know, they're all going to be available. I've still got quite a few pens from other pen hauls, so if there's anything that you're interested in, a lot of people say to me, Steph, how do we know what you've got? Well, just simply email me. You've got the email down below there, so there's no excuse. Get in touch. Anyway, without further ado, or ado, whichever, in no particular order, let's start from the front. There we go. A nice Parker 51. I think this one's in sort of blue. Yep, it's a vacuumatic, so yeah, that'll get restored. Looks like a Parker 61. I actually want this one for parts for another pen which I'll show you a little bit later. Yep, the very recognisable Schaefer Snorkel. We'll service this. There's a lot of people that like these snorkel pens. Oh, there we go, look at that, a lovely Parker 75 Cicel. This one I'm made in USA. It's got the flat top, lovely condition. We'll clean it up. That'll be available. What we got here, a Schaefer, yeah, gold nib. I think this may be one of the Imperials. A nice little Blackbird pen. It's got the original nib. Looks like a stub nib as well. That'll be interesting. So yeah, you know, if anyone's interested in a nice writing pen, there we go. There's another Imperial. I don't know the exact model. Stainless steel nib. Again, there's people that like them. There we go, we've got a Flighter pen. This one is the classic, as you can see by the nib there. So I know there's people that collect these, so yeah, if you're looking for one, get in touch. Right, we've got a Conway Stewart. Let me have a look. Oh, I think it says, well, there we go, let's show you. I think it's a 106, is it? It's got this sort of semi-hooded nib. Again, it'll be available. A lot of people say, well, you know, what have you got for sale? Well, these are all for sale. So, you know, people say, have you got a list of what's for sale? Well, why give you a list? You can actually see what is available. Who needs a list? So there we go, another Conway Stewart. What's that one? Is it a 57 or... There we go, I'll let you people see it. You people can see it better than I can. There you go, it's got an open nib. That'll be available. This is quite an interesting one. If I just show you, I think it says W.A. Schaefer, made in Canada, or Canada only limited. So there's the imprint. If we unscrew it, there you go, it's got a lovely Triumph nib. It's a lever fill, quite a stubby pen, but quite a large girthy pen as well. So it's got the I don't know, is it a Schaefer Triumph? But again, we'll clean that up, we'll service it. I think this one's a Parker Junior. There we go. They make absolutely gorgeous pens, make great everyday writers. I think we've got another Blackbird pen. There you go, with an open nib. Nice thing about it, a lot of these have actually still got the nibs. Sometimes I go out pen hunting and I find pens and they haven't got the nibs. Ah, there we go, there's a go. Another Parker 75, in this case the ballpoint. This one's got the sort of dish, sort of tassy to the top there. Again, made in USA, so yeah, it could be a matching set with the other Parker 75. We'll clean these up. These are very, very sought after, very popular, so if you're interested, you're going to have to be quick. Another Conway Stewart, similar to the other one, got this open nib. A nice pen. A lot of these actually, when I say some of them are spares or repairs, a lot of them are actually, well, they just need a little bit of work, and you know, they will be working pens. There we go, a nice little Swan. Swan maybe Todd. It's got these two bands. I can't see the model of it. It's quite a small pen. There we go. Again, the original nib. Needs cleaning. That'll come up nicely, I'm sure. There you go. It's got the little Swan logo with the red ripple insert to the very top there. What's this one? Hey, Parker. Actually, it's not a Parker, this one. If you look at the lever there, this is actually a Croxley, the Croxley pen in this lovely mauve marbling. Yeah, it's got the original nib there. So it's a Croxley pen, but someone's put a Parker clip to it there. But I think I've actually got a couple of Croxley clips available. So this one will come up absolutely lovely. Superb pens. I won't be doing a review on this one because some people will know I've shown you the Croxley pen before, but we'll restore this one and this one will become available. It'll be a gorgeous pen once we're finished. A nice Conway Stewart. Not sure of the model. I think they can't quite see the barrel imprint. Yeah, it's there, but it looks a little bit worn. I'm not sure of the model. It's quite a lengthy one. Again, as you can see, the clip is missing. We may have a clip for that. I'll take a look, who knows. Yeah, it's got the correct nib there. Slightly, it's not been put in properly, as you can see, but that's not a problem. We'll put that to right. But a lovely sort of yeah, like a sort of rose or whatever with gold veins. So hopefully I may have a clip for that. So that'll become a lovely pen as well. Well, up to now I don't think I've seen a pen that's got issues with it. We've got another Blackbird pen in this black chase pattern. Look at that, even got a nib as well. So all the nibs are, well, I've not looked at them closely, I'm assuming all the nibs are correct. It's got this nickel trim, but once it's finished and cleaned up, restored, again will make a lovely writer for somebody. There we go. Parker 45, nice and simple, gold nib. That'll become available. Anybody out there looking for Parker 45s, get in touch. This one, I've had a quick look at it. There's no maker's name on it, I don't think. It's got this sort of chrome trim. It's got a gold nib on it. I'm not sure if it's the correct one. Dirty, but we'll get that fully working. Don't know, does it have a, looks to have maybe a little bit of flex, who knows. But there we go, another nice pen. And last but not least, in this plastic case, it's not the original case, we've got a Parker 51, needs a new jewel to the top. It's got this name or company, whatever, engraved on it. And there we go, it's got the correct nib and everything. Everything's very nice with it, apart from the engraving and the jewel missing. So not just this one, but I've actually you know, in my recent pen hauls, I've actually received quite a few Parker 51s. Any of you people out there, you Parker 51 fans, if you're looking for a Parker 51, get in touch. So there we have it. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at these pens as much as I enjoy showing them to you, but I'm sure you would like to see more pens to enjoy. I'm sure you do. Yes, let's now show you the ones that are in the boxes. So these are the ones that came in boxes, so let's go through them again. Actually, before I actually show you this, one of them that I missed comes in this, well, the lady put it in this bag for me, so let's put that to one side. Look at that, and absolutely gorgeous. In fact, if I show you the end of the cap there, I think it's the 45, and what we've got is a lovely Waterman 45 safety pen. I've not actually tested it, it's in lovely condition, but what I'll do, I'll service it, I'll put new seals in the end, we'll clean everything internally. Once again, it will be available, but I'm sure once people see this, I will receive lots of emails. It's on a first come first served basis, unfortunately. I wish I had more to go round, but sometimes people send me an email and say, Steph, is it available? Unfortunately, I have to say to them, sorry, somebody's beat you to it, so please be quick. Right, let's have a look. Right, a Mont Blanc box. What we found inside this one, there we go, we've got a Parker Dufold in this burgundy colour, original nib. We also found, well, these came as a job lot actually, a Parker ballpoint, so that'll make a nice set for somebody. And then we found these two Mont Blanc pens. Okay, now I forget actually what model they are, so just bear with me. Let me have a look at with my loop. So this is actually the 115, and it's got this lovely little, there, look at that, and that's how you actually get the, if I just press it for you, hopefully you can see the refill coming in and out. So it's a very, well, it's an old one, I think 1950s maybe. Again, it'll be available. I'm not too sure whether I'll service it or whatever, but if anybody interested, yeah, give me a shout. And then we've got another one. I think this one's a pencil. Yeah, you press the button there to the top, look at that. And this one is the, I think they call it, it's a Pix, Mont Blanc Pix, again I believe around about sort of the 1950s. So they'll all be available. Let's pop that to one side. There we go. What have we got here? A Schaefer. Look at these. Nice and briefly, what we've got, the Schaefer Connoisseur fountain pen and ballpoint. There we go. I'm going to leave it at that. These will be reviewed, because I've never reviewed this particular model before. Very, very sought after pens. Excellent pens. So let's have a look underneath here. A Parker box. There we go. We've got two sort of brushed chrome, is it a ballpoint? Yeah, a ballpoint and pencil in this chrome in lovely condition. I don't know, maybe have they been used? I don't think so, but very nice. Anybody interested in ballpoints, give me a shout. Let's bring these a bit closer. Look at this. Talk about the unusual. Self-filling bamboo fountain pan. Is it a pan or is it a pen? Non-leakable, made in Japan. Let's take a look at it for you. Look at that. A pen made from bamboo. How unusual. And what you'll notice there, it's got made in Japan, and it's what we term as a crescent filler. Oh, and there we go, it's got what we term as a glass nib. So it's a glass nibbed fountain pen. Very unusual, I've never seen one before. I'm not even too sure who made them. I'm going to have to do a bit of homework. Incidentally, any of you people know anything about this pen, please leave us a comment. Share the information with us. That'd be much appreciated. But how unusual is that? Okay, let's go back to the Schaefer again. There we go, Schaefer Tiger in this brushed chrome, lovely condition. Let's have a look at the nib. We've got a stainless steel nib. Anybody looking for a Schaefer Tiger, get in touch. This could be yours. And last but not least, let's have a look at this. There we go, look at that. You recognise the model. 51, F for fine, 82 and 3, which I believe may be 82 shillings and threepence, maybe, I don't know, in this sort of luster alloyed cap. And it's got this sort of brushed effect. There's no marks. In fact, in my opinion, I don't think it's actually been inked. It's in gorgeous condition with the original chalk marks. Could be yours. And last but not least, there you go, take a look at that gorgeous pen. What we've got for you is not a Schaefer, it's a Parker, Steph. It's a Parker. This is from the Cloud series. It's a Parker 61, and this one is what they term as the Cumulus. Absolutely gorgeous. Unfortunately, it's got some damage to the shell. What I'll do, I'll replace that shell, and somebody will enjoy this pen for many years to come. It's a gorgeous, beautiful pen. There's no dings, no wear, nothing. Just a shame about the shell inside, but that's not a problem. That will be replaced. And there we have it. Yes, I was a busy boy yesterday. We found quite a bit. We found some interesting pens, some not too interesting, but as I mentioned earlier, most of them will be available. You're going to have to be quick. I hate it when I have to email people and say, I'm sorry, but it's sold. But if you're interested, as I said below, send me an email. So I hope you've enjoyed the pens as much as I enjoyed showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy. Subscribe to my channel, don't forget, and give the video a thumbs up. But from me and these lovely pens, I'll just say bye bye for now.